The Spark 4 is here to dethrone its predecessor, the Spark 3. How will the new Spark 4 compare with the Spark 3? Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I will be unboxing the Tecno Spark 4. For starters, I can see that the storage and RAM values have not changed. The Spark 4 also has 32GB storage and 2GB RAM. The next big difference is that the notch has tremendously been reduced in the Spark 4. The Spark 4 now has what is known as a dot notch screen. The other good news is that the camera setup has been upgraded to a triple AI setup, and the battery is now 4000 mAh as compared to the 3500 mAh in the Spark 3. To keep the tradition alive, the Spark 4 also comes in a bright orange packaging too. The only disappointment up to now is that there is no free gift accompanying the Spark 4. Remember the big box that came with the Spark 3? The Tecno Spark 4 has a massive 6.52-inch screen with a resolution of 720 by 1600. Now it's worth noting that this is a 4G enabled device. I had talked about the battery capacity as well as the improved camera setup in the beginning of this video. Here is a close-up of the triple AI camera setup and the fingerprint scanner at the back. The Tecno Spark 4 is available online and in all official Tecno shops for only 11,999 Kenya shillings. This is an equivalent of 120 US dollars. As the phone is booting, let us check what else is available in the packaging. We have the warranty card with 12 plus 1 months warranty. Also inside is a Google Files application manual. It seems that the Spark 4 has the Files app already pre-installed. Here we have the phone case wrapped in a plastic bag. It is a well-made and flexible silicone phone case with a rough texture of the word Spark on it. At the bottom there are two Dustproof Flaps for the micro USB port and the headset port. The hands-free headset, a 1.2 ampere charger, as well as the micro USB cable are also available inside the packaging. Because the back cover is non-removable, a SIM tray is incorporated in the Spark 4. A SIM ejector tool is used to access the tray. The tray can hold an SD card as well as 2 nano SIM cards because the Spark 4 is a dual SIM phone. This free screen protector was hiding in the styrofoam. Notice that it even has a notch at the top. So, like the packaging said, the internal storage is 32GB and the RAM is 2GB. The front camera is an 8-megapixel camera, and the triple cameras at the back, we have 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus QVGA. The battery is 4000 mAh and the CPU is a 2 GHz quad core processor. So this is an Android 9 device. And the iOS version is v5.1.1. And we also have the smart panel. Remember the Tecno Camon 12? It also had this smart panel. This is very similar to the Tecno Camon 12. Have boom player as the music player, pre-installed files application, that's it. So wait for my Tecno Spark 4 screen recording video. It will show you more of this user interface. So thank you for watching and goodbye.